Hi, so today I have a nice video to support the breath. One of the things about going through life is our breath can get very constricted. We don't breathe as fully as we can. We deal with our emotions, we deal with situations that happen, and it can cause us to feel agitated and kind of breathe in a way that's a lot more shallow. So the muscles here, the intercostal muscles can get constricted, and then we can't breathe as fully as we could if we were more relaxed. So let's start to shift that. So we're going to do an exercise today called Soaring Eagle. So let's begin by bringing your feet to about shoulder width apart, arms down by your sides, and with the knees bent so you have a nice flexible legs here, let's take a breath in and lift the arms. Nice big stretch here, and now we're going to cross at the wrist and push your palms together. And then exhale. Let the arms float back down. Breathing in, lifting the arms, stretching the muscles of the back, of the chest, crossing at the wrist, pushing the palms together, and exhale. Good, and once again, inhale. And exhale. And now that we've kind of got the posture here, let's stretch it out a little bit more. So let's breathe in, cross at the wrist here, and there's always a little extra room there. See if you can take a little bit more breath. And exhale. So we're going to lengthen the breath. And we're going to do the same thing at the bottom here. And exhale just a little bit longer. Really clear out those lungs. And then breathe in again, nice, slow, and deep. Cross those wrists and breathe a little bit more space to pack that oxygen in, and then exhale and let the arms come down, and exhale a little more. And again, inhale. Breathing in a little bit more, stretching, and exhale. And we're going to do one more version of this. So let's breathe in. Nice, slow, deep breath. And now let's do a little tilt. Tilt a little bit to one side. Breathing in there, and then tilt to the other side. And then exhale. So we're going to open up those ribs a little bit more. Inhale. Leaning to your left, leaning to your right, and letting it go. Slow down, exhale. A little longer exhale, and one more time, inhale. Cross those wrists, lean to one side. A little more breath in, a little more breath to the other side. Really stretching out the breath, and exhale. A little bit longer exhale. And just take a moment and just feel how your breath gets a little bit more open because we've stretched these muscles, we've begun to loosen the back, and we've lowered some of the tension so that you can breathe a little bit fuller. So I really hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.